Hello children, how are you guys? Hope you're all safe and fine. Okay children, see in this class we are going to continue with the cell structure and the function. Okay, see if we take our body, I remember telling you our body is made up of 14 organ systems. Okay, and if you take one example of this organ system, that is digestive system, see we have lot of organs involved in digestive system. Okay, so digestive system, it's called as the organ system. Okay, digestive organ system. This digestive organ system is put together with many organs. Okay, for example, we have our mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. And in the case of digestion, there are various processes involved in it. Okay, you have studied in 7th standard. There are 5 process involved in the digestion, full digestion. First one, it is, injection where the food enters inside our mouth. Then, digestion, then absorption, then assimilation. Okay, and at last, it is ejection. So these steps are involved in our digestion. Okay, each and every step proves its own work, and each and every step take place in different organ. Even though it takes place in different organ, all together forms the digestive system. Okay, and this organ, maybe if you take a small intestine or large intestine or stomach or esophagus or mouth, or that is the buccal cavity, if you take any one of this organ, it is made up of tissue. Okay, what is tissue means? It is a smaller unit of organ which performs the same function. Okay, and what forms the tissue? Tissue is formed of group of cells which performs the same function. It's very simple. Cell, from cell tissue, from tissue it is organ, and from organ it is organ system, and from organ system together an organism. Is that clear? This is what in the case of animals. Okay, in the same way in the case of plant also we have various organ system involved in various activity. Okay, if we take the transportation, that is nothing but the circulation, root involved in absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Okay, carbon dioxide reaches the plant uh, from the environment through the stomatal opening. The water and carbon dioxide together forms the food. Okay, so there also we have organ system. In animals also there is organ system. Okay, from where the organ system comes? From the organs. Group of organs forms the organ system. What forms the organ? Group of tissue forms the organ. What forms the tissue? Group of cells forms the tissue. So what is a cell? Cell is the structural and functional unit of all living organism. Is it clear? This is what is about a general feature about the cell. Okay, if you take a cell, what are the parts you will find it in a cell means three different parts easily you can identify in a cell. Okay, first one is the cell membrane, the outer covering of the cell. Okay, and this cell membrane, it is selectively permeable. Okay, there is a term. You should understand the term. It is selectively permeable. Means what? See, when some visitors comes home, we will not allow everyone to enter our home. Okay, we'll on the gate itself we'll ask who they are. If they are known to us, we'll allow them. If we do not know what we tell, no, like we don't know whom you are, so we will not allow you. From the gate itself, we'll tell them, okay, you can move. Okay, what does it mean? We allow the people selectively inside our house. The same thing the cell membrane also do. They allow only the certain materials either to pass in or to pass out. So we call it as selectively permeable. Okay, and then see this cell membrane, it is also called as plasma membrane. Cell membrane is also called as what children? Plasma membrane. Okay, and this cell membrane, easily we can see the cell membrane in the onion peel. Okay, when you take that when you remove that rough membrane of the onion, inside we can find many layers of pink color membrane, and if you just turn it you'll find an white membrane. Just take a piece of it with the help of forceps or scissor, place it on the slide and put a dye, namely methylene blue, and carefully we have to place the cover slip. This and all we'll do it in the laboratory when we come back to the school. Okay, then when we see under the microscope, it is so beautifully we can see the cell membrane. And there is one more tough covering which you can see around the cell membrane, that is nothing but the cell wall. So cell wall is seen only in the case of plant cell, and cell wall is absent in the animal cell. I remember telling you cell wall is made up of cellulose. Is it clear, children? Okay, then we have something darker spot which is seen exactly either in the center or at the top, or at the that is at the apex, or at the end you can find an oval shaped part. That's nothing but the nucleus. Okay, and it is a round spherical shaped body nucleus. It's a main part of the cell. Okay, and in between the nucleus and the cell membrane, you know what is present? A jelly-like structure, namely cytoplasm is present, and all the cell membranes are being suspended in the cytoplasm. Is that clear? Is that clear? All the cell membranes, we are going to see which are the cell membranes in the future classes. Okay, so all the cell membranes are seen suspended in the cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.